our kids on the Cocoa Keys.
Part of the routine. We come here every morning, we eat our breakfast. Without our sustenance, we're gonna die. How are you?
You're seeing this, right? This line here, if you ever come down here, you see this line. If it ever dips like this completely out of the red, either way, it could go left or right. That means your fan is not operational.
Right.
The most important meal of the day, serving it up Frodo's way.
That's not the prettiest sight. Okay.
You can do this.
Maybe a little hard to see, maybe even a little spooky. This here we need to be very careful of. Oh goodness. We're gonna grab our coil cleaner. If you hold it here for long enough, it could kick on. You can obviously use your breath. I'm not gonna do that. Going off for a bit. This is what we call a non-ideal situation. Do it once and do it right. Typically,
I'm happy with that service.
see here. Very old system. Unreal. Sometimes you run into unexpected friends, and this would be one of them. Yeah, they're cute. They're cute.